You can fight me for breaking the rules, but I'm not gonna do black and white. We have all seen how bad that goes. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Becca and welcome to my channel, new and improved. So as you can see, I got a new lens. If you follow me on Instagram, you've noticed a bit of how much of a struggle this was to actually get my lens into my hands. And that is another story for another time. But on top of my new lens coming in, I finally got some studio lighting. It's not like super expensive, fancy, but it's lights that regulate sunlight. So this is real, this is me, and in HD. It's also showing me how weird my eyebrows look when I look into my monitor. But look at my nice background. But anyway, for today's video, I am doing the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge, which is the version started by Nikkietutorials. I already had a hole in my schedule between scheduling my Electra makeup, which I've just put up and I'll link right up here somewhere, and my plan for my next K-pop inspired video, because they're both kind of gold looks and so I didn't want them back to back. So I was just at work killing some time between ads, or I may have been on a lunch break, something, and Nikki posted her new video, which was the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. So I watched it and I knew instantly I wanted to do it. Per the rules that Nikki came up with, first you take the first letter of your first and last name and then add the word look at the end. So for her, she searched NJ look into Google image search, and whatever the first picture was is what she based her look on. And that meant like colors, shapes, textures, whatever. So after I watched her video, I curiously went and looked up mine. So I searched RW look, and for that I got a brand logo called New Look, and so I decided, since I don't really go by my first name because it was a logo and I really don't go by my full name, I decided I was not going to use RW, so I searched BW, and I got this really cute picture that I started planning a look for immediately. And then I checked like yesterday or something like that, and now I have a totally different image as the first option, with the first one I saw like 3 down. So we're gonna see what Google gives me today, and my phone is over there. And when I get the bar across the top, this was the first one I saw on image search. But you click images, and now it's something totally different. It is now this, which is a half sugar skull look, which, out of respect for the fact that I am white nor Hispanic, I don't feel it is appropriate for me to do a sugar skull, so I will not be doing that. And the second one is a stock image of a very disgruntled woman that is also black and white. And if you're new to my channel, then you have no idea the struggle I have with black and white makeup. So we'll link up here my every color in a palette fail, and you'll just see. I feel like I'm being lied to by Google. I've seen different things every time, but this is the first one I saw when I checked the other day, so this is what I'm going with, and you can fight me for breaking the rules, but I'm not gonna do black and white. We have all seen how bad that goes. I'm not doing it. Per normal, I have already done my base makeup, including my foundations, contour, concealer, and eyebrows. But I also just realized I left my beauty blender in my bathroom and forgot to clean it before I started filming, because I will need it in a second. So 1 minute, I'll be back and we'll start. We'll go right into it. So first I'm going to take my NYX SFX Cream in White and just put some down around, I'm thinking like in my eye area. I'm just taking my beauty blender . Okay, since that is a white cream, I'm going to set it with a white powder. So I'm going to use my RCMA colorless powder.
A few moments later.
So I don't know when that stopped recording. So just in case my camera didn't get any of that, I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette. And I just put the color Bon Fresco in my crease using my Morphe M518. The antique bronze right next to it, so that's a little bit in the outer corner. So I guess we're going to move on to the other eye so you can potentially see what I actually did. Take a teensy bit of antique bronze out here on the edge. And then taking my 510. Smoke this baby out. We'll probably come back to this. But like I said, in the video that may not be in existence anymore, I'm really just flying by the seat of my pants doing this. All I really planned was to put on some of my white SFX cream and the color pink. So I really have not planned that far in advance. So we're just seeing what's coming up out my head. I'm gonna take my Narissist 2 blush palette and go in with probably this one and a little bit of this one to make it to a pink. I think I'm gonna try a spot highlight. So, 1 second. To cut out the area I want to be the highlight, I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter concealer. Okay, next I'm going to take my Morphe B16 brush, as well as my Wet n Wild Sweetest Bling highlighter, and put that on the highlight portion. The highlighter to work right, I'm going to take my Primer Water by Smashbox. I feel like the area around the top spot highlight needs to be defined a little bit. So I'm going to go back in with my Modern Renaissance palette and a Morphe M515, which is a teensy little detail brush, and take some of those two colors again and run it along the top. So I'm going to go back in with my Narissist 2 palette and take these right here and put it all over my cheeks. Like, to marry the colors a little better, I'm going to take the mauve again from the Modern Renaissance palette and put it on the bottom lid. And then down here. Now for one of the best parts of makeup, highlighter. I'm going to go back in with my Sweetest Bling, but I also have my Alchemist palette just in case I feel like using the pink opal. Okay, I am going to go in with pink opal from the Alchemist palette and see what happens. Oh, I gotta spray the brush again. Ugh. I totally forgot to do my eyelashes. So I'm using my Eyes Are for Winking lashes by Boldface. I had originally, like, I could draw a lace pattern on my face. So I think I'm just gonna do some white freckles. I've got some of my lashes and it looks cute, so I'm gonna put some white on my bottom lashes. Oops, got some of that. Okay, well, since I got some liquid liner on my waterline, I guess I'm gonna get my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Or I could just use this SFX cream. I'm kidding, I could just totally use my SFX cream. Just already right here. And I'm gonna go for a subtle lip. So I think I'm going to use my Nikkietutorials and Ofra Cosmetics collab called Nude Potion. It's a nude pink. And it's lived in my purse for a while on occasion, so the name's almost all the way off. So it's been a couple hours since I filmed more like, you know, 4 to 6. And I was going to put my footage from my memory cards to my computer, only to realize I never filmed an outro for this. So, yeah, that is why there's awful lighting now. Because I'm having to compensate no sun with one of my other lights that I was using on like my background. Also doesn't help, so. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become part of the fam. Also, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more videos like this from me. You know, while you're down there, just hit the bell and that will send you notifications for whenever I post new videos. So that way you never miss a thing. And before I go, here's some other videos from my channel. So just click one and keep it going. See you guys in my next video. Bye!